Hello everyone, today I'm just going to be giving my newest villager Sally a cozy winter Christmassy cafe, so let's get started. I actually didn't find her on a mystery island, I just went villager hunting today and found no one unfortunately, so I just time traveled a day to see who'd take a part and Sally took it, and I actually really like her, she fits my theme pretty well, so probably gonna be keeping her for a while, but anyways, let's get started. And just like I said in my last video, all custom designs in this video belong to their rightful owners. I do not know how to make custom designs that much, but yeah. Also, the music in this video, I just like to give credit. I found it off of YouTube, I forgot exactly where, but just wanted to say that the music belongs to its rightful owner and Nintendo. I do not own the music in this video. Really, all I own is my island and, like, the sped up video of, like, me decorating, so, yeah. Just wanted to say that. Also, that ornament's custom design that I placed on the ground right now, I actually made it myself. I am pretty proud of how it turned out. Not sure if a design code for it will be in the description, but we'll see. But I'll give it to you all eventually. Also, here is me going to get a piece of fruit to stunt the growth of one of the cedar trees. And sorry about the mess that is my island right now. I am currently redoing it after making it summer themed, but it'll look better soon, trust me. And while I decided to go get some fruit, I found a balloon. Well, I heard it, hoping it'd be something good, but to be honest, it really wasn't. So, here is the final product. I am really happy with how this area turned out. Also, I put the snow person here because the snow boy melted. So, yeah. Here is the cedar tree I stunted, and here is the cafe. So we have the stall with the cake on it, the chairs and tables, and it's just a really cozy environment in general. Hope you all like this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!